And let us now move to a brief keynote presentation in front of the digital decade, Internet United, Poland, UN IGF 2021. May I invite Krzysztof Szubert, Republic of Poland Plenipotentiary for UN IGF 2021, President of the Management Board NCR Investment Fund.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, I am pleased to join you all during this well-established, over the last couple of years event, which is CYBERSEC. Needless to say, this year is different. Never in the history of digital transformation has the world faced such tremendous challenges related to the assuring of safety and security as with the COVID-19 pandemic. This absolutely exceptional situation marks the beginning of the new era on the digital path. And with this constantly changing environment, I'm here to share some thoughts from the global internet governance perspective. With the huge impact of the pandemic on how we perceive the digital world today, internet governance is the key factor in ensuring the world's sustainable development, human rights, and global security. IGF is an ideal place to conduct such a discussion and work out good and effective solutions. The multi-stakeholder and inclusive spirit of the IGF Forum is now our most valuable asset. Poland does want to have a vital voice in the global discussion. That is why we were eager to organize this year's 15th edition of the Global IGF here in Katowice. Unfortunately, the situation has turned out to be extremely difficult and complicated. That is why, bearing in mind first of all the safety of participants, we were forced to move this year's physical meeting in Poland until the end of 2021. Nevertheless, Poland remains actively engaged in this year's IGF hosted by the UN, which will be held online. We have prepared a special Polish track between 2nd and 6th November 2020, where almost 50 of our stakeholders will be more than happy to share with you their experience concerning the recent trends and developments within the areas of interest for the IGF. Another good piece of work you will find during the main phase of this event between 9th and 17th November 2020. It will consist of workshops, including the Polish ones, and the high-level leaders track. We kindly invite you all to register for this event at the UN IGF website. This is for this year. I believe that in 2021, the whole global IGF community will meet in Poland on site. IGF 2021 in Poland will be a unique forum organized in a completely different digital reality, which will show new challenges towards Internet United. Our country wants to remain an active and responsible participant in the multi-stakeholder debate on the future of digital domain. Therefore, among different new activities planned, we have decided to put more focus on the engagement of the young internet users. We feel that the young generation should be more involved in this process, as the rapid development of new technologies affect them in the first place. It's vital not to overlook anyone in this dialogue. At the dawn of the new digital decade, we have chosen the next year's IGF overreaching theme to be Internet United. In this respect, we want to emphasize that the Internet should remain safe and open for everyone. Indeed, we live in interesting times, don't we?